Welcome to Amsterdam.
Enjoys
You're missing out.
life change.
It's really life-changing. So nice.
Lalo ka na naman this week!
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
So pa tayo. Dito na si Darso. Naka-blue pa kaming dalawa.
Friday fitness!
Daming tao, Dars.
A few moments later.
Charot!
Papayat na ba kami nito?
Balik ang dindog program.
Actually, matagal ako hindi na-video, Dars. Mga almost 1 month na.
Pero meron lang papanood ko eh.
Kasi nga, di ba, ano yun? Hindi
Batch
ako everyday,
upload.
oo, hindi ako nag pasensya na, di ba? Nahuli pa ako.
Titas.
Nahuli pa. Matagal na akong walang video. Char lang. Parang ano, kakadating ko pa lang ng Pilipinas, from Philippines at that time.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Pero napanood ko yung Thailand. Napanood ko yung...
Oo, tagal na ni
Paul.
Dars.
Talaga ba?
Diba sa ano pa yun, Feb?
Tita, singilin nyo ng ano, comment nyo.
May video ako, kaka-out lang ngayon.
Today.
Today. Kasi nga, di ba yung video ko naman, hindi naman everyday. So, may gap pa din. So, sabi ko, parang...
Pansin.
Oh, di ba may ano talaga, may sinadya ang Sindel para mag-workout. Dapat nakakapag-drive na talaga tayo, Dars, no?
Pero hindi naman din ano. Yeah. Hindi siya necessity. Hindi natin kakamatay.
Naka-backfits ako. Ang kawawa talaga ako ngayon. Good luck sa akin.
10
Kasi yung
minutes, no?
Kasi yung backfits ko ang heavy, Dars.
Feeling ko mas mabigat
Ayan,
pa sa'yo. Ay, ng buhay.
Nakunin ko muna yung backfits. Ano, dito na lang tayo
Oo, Dars.
mag-goodbye. Say hi to the killers.
Gago.
In my group chat mo kasi kami.
Uy!
Dahil ako'y nag-workout, nagdala si Ruth ng sushi. Workout yarn. After workout meal. si Ruth nag-yogat lang. Kain. But he lives in Sint Uderoda, so it should be easy. But I cannot finish it today.
It's about Alice in Wonderland. The
Yeah,
musical.
but Anna doesn't know it, so it's better to just let her watch it a bit on
Yeah.
YouTube. Then she has an
You have to
idea.
one
a
is
bit.
kind of, it's really, they said, with singing and entertainment. Yeah.
The warm sushi is really good. But this one is still good.
It's flamed or something like so.
Yeah, smoked this one. When we go to Japan, I will eat a lot of sushi. Like everyday sushi. Ramen.
That's the sushi place.
Huh?
That's the sushi place. Is cheap there, sushi?
Why?
Japan?
Yeah. It's normal to go to restaurants with belts. You know, it goes around like sushi train.
Mm.
And then you just get what you want, and you know the price based on the color of the plate.
Mm.
I saw that you already have that in Cebu also.
Yeah?
Yep. The price depends on the place, but yeah, sushi is sushi. My student said if you go to sushi restaurants, like special ones, well, you sit there
Yeah.
and you can watch how they make the sushi. Normally, it's really expensive, that kind of place.
No fine dining or sushi.
If I married the guy, wow, I would have sushi every day. my God. I still see him on Facebook, ah.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's, And I think eventually his girlfriend is related to... I thought before he was just a fan, you know, but he really gets invited to his house, like birthday, stuff like that. Well,
Yeah?
your eyes look lonely. You need a woman in your life. That is that. Yeah,
Yeah?
he told me at the coffee shop. I said, your eyes look lonely. You need a man in your life. Really do something tonight.
I have shawarma.
I hope he passed this time. Then does he need to take another exam or not anymore?
After this, yeah, at least. Keeps him busy for a while.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it sounds sad. So later na to. But I have...
Hij wacht Anna inbouw.
Ah,
En then Jara came, straks afspreken, this for that talk. But of course he didn't have the step. He called Opa. So, oh, no problem, I bring the step. So he brought the step and he sent a picture with Anna with the steps. He was doing the heart. They do the step also to play outside, I think.
which step?
Yeah, the hours, it was Opa and Oma.
Oh,
You see? They go to the sauna today.
but this step is really dirty, yeah?
Yeah. Better than no step. Yeah?
It's really dirty.
She doesn't care about
Who sent that? Opa?
what?
The picture?
What?
The picture is...
Ja, Opa sent it, ja.
Of course, Opa will bring it.
Ja,
That's how spoiled you are.
you are.
Yay! Gochisousama deshita.
Samadya. Hi.
Hi.
Toilet.
Yeah, I was gonna say, oh, it's nice to make a sushi with Marlene, but Marlene doesn't eat sushi anymore.
Maybe it's cook jonger in het avocado.
Ah, misschien.
One eternity later.
Hi, titas. Pick upin ko po si Ana. Kaya may play date siya. Kasama yung kaibigan niya sa school. Tapos dinala dito sa fair. Dito lang din malapit sa amin. May perya dito ba? Kakaset up lang nila and open na sila today. Yan o. Wacht even. Ja. Ayan na. Hey! Oei, goed kijken! Wait! I said not too fast. See, there are also autos, my love. Hello, titas. We're home. Si Ana is having waffle. We bought waffle there. And also olive oil for my... Lekker?
Yeah.
Ito yung sa akin. Para lang siyang donut. Yung friend niya kasi,
Mom, can
they have to go to the swimming pool na because she has swimming lesson. Is this our dinner? It's too early for dinner.
Yeah. I feel to my hook. I feel to my hook.
Tignan niyo yung mata ni Ana, guys. Parang mag-ano na siya, magpa-pop na yung ano. Yun sa mata niya. And until now, hindi pa rin naka-schedule for Ana. Sobrang frustrating kasi palaging sinasabi na tatawag si schedule. So palaging tumatawag si Ruth, wala pa din.
Heb je geen water?
Yeah,
Maar heb je geen water?
it's okay. I'll get the glass for myself. Lekker. Did you have a nice day?
Yeah.
At school and then playing with Yara?
Yeah.
Good show.
The next day.
So, yeah. Come on. Yeah? Hoger. Ja?